Hello, my name is Alan Nolan and I am the author of a World Book Day book for 2024 called Malone and Bram Stoker in the Curious Case of the Irish Yeti. Now, one good book that I've read over the last year and I thoroughly enjoyed because I'm a big fan of graphic novels, as you can see by all the novels behind me, is this one here. It's called Frankie's World by Aoife Dooley, and it's a graphic novel. It is absolutely fantastic. It's all about a girl called Frankie who is a little bit different. She thinks a little bit differently to everybody else in school. It's an amazing story, it's an inspiring story, and it's one of the best books that I've read over the last year. Now, I love books of all sorts, and I especially love reading picture books. And one of the best picture books I've read over the last year is this one here, Fox and Son Tailors by Paddy Donnelly, an amazing author and illustrator. He did this all himself. Look how amazing it is. It is such a cool book. It's got brilliant illustrations all the way through. It's all about a little fox whose dad is a tailor and he doesn't sew clothes. He makes tails for other animals, and this guy wants to make amazing tales, the most fabulous tales ever. I absolutely love this book. Now, I love reading historical fiction for children, and one of the best books I've read over the last year is this one here. It's by Sarah Webb, the amazing Irish author, and it's called The Little Bee Charmer of Henrietta Street. It's set in 1911 in Dublin City, and it's all about a girl called Eliza and her brother and her dad who fall on hard times. They're quite well to do, but they fall on hard times and they have to move to Henrietta Street. And Henrietta Street is one of the poorest parts of Dublin in 1911. But they get on with everybody, they eventually make friends. It's a book with loads of adventures in it and loads of friendship in it. It's a really lovely book. One of the best books I've read over the last year is this one here. It's called Big Bad Me by Irish author Aisling O'Loughlin. It is a fantastic book. It's right up my street because it's all about werewolves. It's about a girl called Evie who doesn't realise she's a werewolf and she turns into a werewolf at night. It's got adventures, it's got monsters, it's got really hairy, dangerous looking people. I absolutely loved it. This one here, it's called The Chestnut Roaster, and it's by the amazing Irish author Eve MacDonald. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's set in 1888 in Paris, not just in Paris, underneath Paris as well, because it goes down to the catacombs. It's got a girl in it who's a brilliant character. Her name is Piaf. She's 12 years old and she has an amazing gift. It's full of adventure. It's full of brilliant scenes. Absolutely enjoyed it.